Hi guys. Oof. If you're watching this video, thank you for being here. I need your support. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'm just here in the train station. Alright? And I know I've been pregnant for like 10 months now. I haven't been able to go into labor. Today the hospital has decided I should come for induction so that they can induce the labor. Only for me to say, okay, let me take a train and go. Now I am here. The train is not here. And I'm beginning to have... Oh, hold on. Ah! I'm beginning to have small contraction. What should I do now? I'm having a little bit contraction. We have been waiting for like how many months now? This baby did not want to come. Now it's coming when I'm not ready. And I cannot go back and take train. What I'll do now is I will have to call some of my friends to come and pick me up, hopefully to work. Okay, we'll see how it goes.
A speed train.
That's not so train. Is this train when she told me, oh, I'm having a bit of watching. When is this friend going to come now, eh? What kind of thing is this, eh? Hi. Oh, my God. Hi. Jesus Christ. When is this train going to come? Oh, I should have taken taxi. That's true. Hello? No, I am in the train station. Can you come to the train station to pick me? Because hold on, I'm having a contraction. I'm having a very bad contraction. I don't know if I can wait for the train. I still have. Let me check. I still have. Yeah, the train is still 15 minutes to be here. How about if you come and pick me? I don't know. I'm just having small pain. Are you coming? Ah! 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 Ooh. Ooh. Are you coming? Ah! 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 Yes. Hello? How far are you? The train is not here. Where? I can't see your car. Ah! Hold on, hold on. The just one is coming again. Stop. That's why. I can see the baby head. It's almost here, hello? Yes, the baby head is almost here. Oh. Yes, there's people here, but nobody's coming to help me. Oh. Yes.